So I will check. I will set the units as we always do. Okay, make sure that it is in millimeters. Then you can set the limits as per your requirement. Okay, then zoom all. And one more thing, you have to make sure that 3D modeling is enabled. Okay, so next you can change the view from the pull down menu that is available in the top left side, top, bottom, left, right, whichever view you want. You can select. We'll select top, and we can see the object in 2D wireframe, conceptual. Whichever view you wanted to see, you can select accordingly. Okay, I will select 2D wireframe. Now we'll use the line command. Okay, so as you can see in this, the dimension is 50, right? So we'll just draw the line. First point for a length of 50, then this is 25, and another 50, and another 25. Okay, this is what we have to draw. Then use offset command. So we have to make an offset for this vertical line and give the distance as 12. Select the object and select the side. Okay, similarly make offset for the horizontal lines also. Distance is 10 first. Select the object. Okay, next is select this object. No, again you just give it as set type offset. Offset distance we can give it as 14. Select this object and keep it this side. Okay, so same steps you have to do it for the top horizontal line also. Type offset 14 you can give. Select the object, this horizontal line, this direction. Similarly, type offset distance you can type it as 10. Then you have to select this object in this direction. You can give the offset line. Okay, so this is how we have to draw this diagram. Next, what we can do is that we can connect these two corners to get this inclined line. First, you make sure that ortho is off. Okay, next type line. So connect these two corners. Okay, similarly from here to here. Next, you can use trim command to delete the unwanted portions. Just check the diagram so that it will be easy for you to make a decision which are the unwanted portion. Okay, you can see the diagram. You can I deleted this line unknowingly, so you can just connect them also. Okay, so now you can use region command to make them as a single entity. Enter. So it will get converted as a single entity. Now you can see the diagram that axis line is at a distance of 6 mm, because the total horizontal line length is 25 mm, and from this vertical axis the line length is, that is from here to here, the line the distance is 31. So at a distance of 6 mm to the vertical line, you draw an axis line. Okay, so again you can use offset command. Select the distance they're telling, you give it as 6, select the object. So I have already converted them into a single entity, so it is not possible for me to select this single side as a single entity. So what I do is that I just draw a line from here to here. Before that, make sure that ortho is on. Type line from here. You, for a distance of 6 mm, you draw a line. Then again, from that point, you can construct a vertical line. Okay, then you can use trim command to delete that. Why I'm doing this step is because I have already converted them as a single entity. So if I make offset, it won't come properly. So that's why I have drawn it as a line. Okay. Next, what we can do is that you can change the view to southwest isometric. Okay. Then you can have an option called revolve here. Click on that. It is asking us to select the object which has to be revolved. Click the object, enter. Then it is asking us to select the axis start point. So this is the axis start point and this is the axis end point. And it is asking us to select the angle. You can Q360 if you want to revolve for fully. Okay. So once you give like that, you can see the three-dimensional object which you have drawn. Okay. So in order to in order to rotate them, I have already told you in the previous class, hold shift, hold the center button, sorry, that scroll button in mouse, and you can rotate it. Okay, so this is how we have to draw the second question in week 7. Okay, once